Hey everyone. So I wanted to challenge GPT-5 thinking with some difficult math problems. So I wrote a script which uses a predefined set of operations and applies them to an initial number and generates initial numbers and generates a CSV like this. So the initial number here is 91. Then we apply the operations one by one, and here is the result. And this right here is the operation. So this is like x, the original number, to the power of 2 times 3 divided by 2 to the power of zero point 0.5, and so on and so forth. Okay, I mean, we are not using that larger numbers, but nevertheless, the final result ends up having, 10, 12 decimal points. And I thought in my naivete that this would be difficult. So turn this into a prompt, copy this, right? Paste it and ask, can you guess the exact formula? Write it in math notation. There is only one variable x, which is going to be the original number, right? That's going to be the variable which is transformed via these operations one by one. These ones right here in order. So so each line of the CSV is transformed by the same series of operations. So one variable x, which is the first number, you're not allowed to use Python or code interpreter. You must figure this out in your head. And I have asked this, and I have asked this to the thinking mode, and it thought for 3 minutes and 7 seconds, and it gave me this formula. So then I brought this formula and asked in cursor, which I overwritten by sending another message over it. But this was the result. Like, take a look. So this right here is our formula, like this really long one right here. And this is the formula that GPT-5 thinking returned. And look, it says formula checks out almost perfectly. Like, look at all these numbers. It matched. Like, this is what is predicted. This is actual. It's not perfectly accurate, but it's close to almost fifth decimal point. Even the one that Sonnet ran Python commands to actually calculate these was really the first two numbers are the same, and I mean it's missing the third decimal. So it says essentially, despite our attempt to create unpredictable operations with powers, multiplications, and divisions, LLM still found a linear pattern. This demonstrates that even highly complex mathematical operations can sometimes reduce to surprisingly simple linear relationships. LLM successfully identified the pattern despite our best efforts to make it unpredictable. So, okay, all right. This is a little bit on me. I understand, but this would be impossible for a human. I thought maybe this would be hard, but it wasn't. Because I was going to do this for a project, and now I have to think of something else. I could always increase this to 30, 40, operations, of course. Anyway, I'll put this to my Patreon for free. You can download it. You don't have to be a paying member or whatever. If as a free member, you can download it. It's interesting. So that was the simple idea. This is like the arithmetic operations, and then the CSV generator that generates. Anyway, yeah. So I guess I'll have to think a little bit more, a little bit harder. This is interesting. All right. Thanks for watching. Just wanted to share this with you.